Dorina Forte looking for Barlow and Aronson, 13-year-old novice.
Go, Chris!
Through the dog leg, lead rider stretching it way out front right now.
Go, Chris!
Chris, keep it low, keep it low. Come on, there you go, stay low.
Pedal, pedal!
Barlow looking for that 3 spot. There you go. Urena gonna drop on the 4. That's the way it goes down out of Moto 83. 84 is your motor now, 14-year-old novice, Bilfa, Sham, Mason, Horn,
Go, Chris!
Last straight action coming back home, looking for a top spot on 179 bike, gonna get it done.
Hello everyone, right now I'm running the 11 8-inch rise bars, the Doggo Carbon Forks, Doggo Carbon Rim in the front, Speedco Velux version 1 frame, Shadow Conspiracy half-link chain, box 175mm cranks, Shimano clip pedals, Stay Strong hub, box 1 brake and brake lever, Stay Strong grips, Haro stem, and I think